morning, everybody. This is Nate Green from Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today I have another video for you on our brand new 2024 Alpha Wolf Touring Edition 17CB. I got the slide out, I got everything operating. Let's take a walk around. First thing I want to go over here is it is a dual axle. Here's our slide out. We do have our outdoor shower, freshwater connection, black tank flush. Everything right below here. It's not near the slide or anything like that. It's right below. Manual jacks. You have your spare tire on the back, and you do have your rack as well, so you can strap down that cooler. You do have an attachment for your Lippert ladder. Backup camera prep system on there. Coming around to the side, large power awning. There's our steps. We'll get into here a little, we'll get into the inside a little bit quicker here. You're probably wondering about the weight. The weight on this one is 4726 dry. Again, dual axle. One thing I wanted to touch on right away here, it's harder to see with that sun and that glare, is this is for your tire system here. So easiest way to remember, green means go, red means fill. So if you're at a truck stop or a gas station, anything like that, you can do a quick walk around and know that your tires are good if this is green, but when you release and it turns red, you do need to put some air in the tires. Coming back up, we can see our furnace there. There's that beautiful blue LED light strip. You do have your leash latch for the dogs. Large amount of storage under here, large pass-through storage. Now you do have your enclosed underbelly, if you can see that there. Solar charge controller. Two 20-pound propane tanks that we do fill upon delivery. And we also do include a battery for you as well. There's another side view, from just like from the start of the video. There's that pass-through. There's your battery disconnect. You do have an auto light, so if you do have anything in here, that light will automatically turn on. You can find stuff with these. Let's head back around and walk into the inside. One thing here before we get into the inside, large rock guard. Protect this. On the outside here, you do have your cable hookup. You do have your outlets on the outside. And you can see this does have a window to it, so probably a little bit of extra security from the factory here. One thing I'm going to come up to and I'm going to point out right away is you have another prep system sitting right here. So again, that extra security, you can turn your phone into the monitor so you can see who's walking up to your door. You can also view from the window here. I like that idea. I like security and I like safety. So let's head on into the inside. Right away, you're going to see your large fridge freezer combo. Take a look on the inside. A lot of room in there. Lots of room in your fridge. Little thermostat. And then you do have a portable speaker charging base. So then we're coming into the bathroom here. You're going to see plenty of options in here, plenty of storage for your bathroom utilities. Hang anything you like, towels, you name it. Or you could put your towels in here. You could use this as your, your medicine drawer, whatever you might need, or your medicine cabinet right here. There's my beautiful face again. Here's your sink, plenty of storage around the sink here. It's not openable. Here's our shower. Our vent for the shower. And then you know me, it's time for the stand test. Here's my face. Still got room to shower. And then you're gonna like this right away when we come out of the bathroom. It's a smaller floor plan, but this works well as a couple's coach. It is beautiful, it's modern, it's up to date, it's got a lot of class. Beautiful blue LEDs up above. We have our seating area here. Now, I'll have to see, but yes, these are your recliners. They do have your heat and massage function as well, so you're gonna be comfortable sitting in here, but we'll do the sit test just cuz. Yeah, it does the job. It passes the test. All right, so standing back up because I can't sit forever. I'm gonna stand right up and look right into the kitchen. Now the kitchen has a lot to offer, so you're gonna see, whoops, you're gonna see right off the bat here, you have your 3-burner cooktop. Look inside there. This glass cover closes to give you more counter space. You do have your washer for your cups. You do have your cutting board. Lots of storage up here. Move that. We'll move that. You can see you have a deeper sink, but if you don't want to use as much water, you do have your little sink option here as well. There it is in its full entirety. Microwave, right at eye level. You do have plenty of lights up here as well. Plenty of storage. A lot of natural light coming into this new floor plan. You do have your blackout curtains, your Alaska blackout curtains, as you can see here. But the biggest thing I wanted to touch on is your sleeping area here, but you do have your AC right up above. In your sleeping area, you have the walk around bed, so you're not going to be rolling over your partner or doing anything like that. And then you can see under here we have a little bit of storage, but I can also lift up the bed and you can access your storage that way. You're going to have plenty of storage on both sides of the bed. Storage up above the bed. More storage in there. Lots of storage. You guessed it, more storage. 110 volts. And then of course, the bed test. So, while I have everybody here, you're gonna see I've got plenty of room to rest my head. And then right up above me here, it might look like I'm gonna bonk my head, but we'll do the sit test, sit up. Not hitting my head or anything. As you can see behind me, beautiful backsplash here. Not gonna bonk my head. It's kind of pushed back a little bit further, so I got plenty of room. You don't have to worry about hitting your head. Let me be your eyes for that, so you can trust me when I say I'm not hurting myself, I'm not damaging the camper. It's comfortable. So, standing back up, you're gonna see lots of lights throughout this camper as well here. So you're gonna have 1, natural light, and then 2, you're not gonna have any dark spots in this camper. But again, just sitting up on the bed here, I mean, if it was just me and somebody else, I would be perfectly content with this floor plan. It's beautiful. There's not a ton of the plain colors like your whites or your grays. There's a lot of different colors in here that give you that home feeling to it. So, but again, on your kitchen here, you got a lot of space. Plug in the waffle maker, do what you gotta do there. Coffee maker, you name it. Off to the left here, you do have your TV mount, and then you do have your appropriate hookups right here. But that's gonna do it for this beautiful floor plan. Again, this is a 24 Alpha Wolf Touring Edition 17CB. My name's Nate Green from Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Give me a call, shoot me a text, 218-740-4965. And like usual, we'll catch you in the next one.